be unboxing my new running shoes. I'm so excited. I'm trying out the Brooks Glycerin. They're so cute. As you can see, I went for a very bright color scheme. I'm obsessed with the color. I really like them. These will hopefully be the shoes that I wear for my half marathon. I'm gonna go for a little walk right now and break them in. Just put my hair up and I have my headphones and I'm gonna head out on my walk.